Hello everyone, Lorraine here and welcome to my YouTube channel makemoneyonline-niches.com, and today I have a review of a product that is called Commission Blueprint 2.0, and this is launching, or it did launch yesterday, and I am just going to do a quick look at what Commission Blueprint is, and then go over to my bonus page and go through the bonuses I have available. If you decide to pick up Commission Blueprint 2.0 through my link, which will be the first link in the description box below this video. So let's go over and take a look at what is Commission Blueprint.
Are you sick of seeing your PayPal account empty every day? Have you tried everything you knew about affiliate marketing, but still not getting the desired results you wished for? Don't worry, because on this page, I'm going to provide you the solution to jumpstart your affiliate commission overnight. Presenting to you Commission Blueprint 2.0, the complete 20 step-by-step video training you'll ever need to generate massive affiliate commissions on a daily basis, starting today. Here are just a few things you'll discover in this training. How to get started and build a profitable affiliate business by selling other people's products. The time-tested formula used by successful marketers to build a massive affiliate business empire within months. How to identify hot, in-demand products that will convert like crazy while making you a ton of money at the same time. How to build up a profitable mailing list that will keep buying whatever you promote to them. And so many more. For a limited time only, we're offering this complete 20 step-by-step video series at a massive discount today. So scroll down this page to learn more about this special offer.
So here we are on the sales page, and we've just heard the video sales on the page there, and we've just listened to what Commission Blueprint is all about. Basically step-by-step video training, and whereby you learn all you need to know, all you need in order to start an affiliate marketing business. And basically this is offering you the chance to purchase this. There's a coupon code here, as you can see, which says that you can get $4 off. So when you go to the checkout through clicking this button here, then you would be able to use that coupon code, My Commissions, to get $4 off. And I know that a lot of people looking at affiliate marketing often struggle, and the main reasons for the struggle is not being able to market correctly, not being able to get the right amount of traffic to their affiliate offers. And so this is a program that is going to show you step by step what you need to be doing. So it gives you a lot of information. Here's some of the results that people have been having from the JVSO platform. And the Commission Blueprint is at a one-time price. It's $17, and like I say, this commissions, My Commissions, get a $4 off on this product. And this is the affiliate marketer who's created this product. His name is Pavish, and he has created this particular product. So Commission Blueprint is, obviously there's a lot of things involved, but you're getting a step-by-step video training, a system to start making money, to start making a profitable affiliate business, and start promoting hot in-demand products, know how to find these products, and look at the fastest and simplest ways to sell anything online. So this is what you would receive in this particular product, which is Commission Blueprint 2.0. And like I said, there is a coupon off on the price, so you get a $4 commission there. And this is the sales page for this product. Now, we can go over and have a look at the bonus page that I have put together and the bonuses I have available if you decide to pick up this product today, Commission Blueprint 2.0. So here is my bonus page for this product, and it is, like I say, it's a system where you can get the training to start your own affiliate marketing business. And this is the funnel structure for this Commission Blueprint. The front end, which is going to give you the training. There's an upgrade there as well, whereby you can get more sort of in-depth training. Then you've got an upgrade, which is audio training, which is higher quality training. Then you've got fast commissions and a done-for-you campaigns. Then you've got skyrocket your commissions with advanced list building methods. And then you have the viral traffic app. And then you have the master reseller rights, which then you can start to resell this whole product as your own. So here are some of the benefits that you might be interested in getting with this product, and you can go through this at your leisure. Just click the first link in the description box below this video. Now let's have a look at the bonuses that I have available if you decide to pick up this product. The first one is 2 high quality traffic sources that you can use. And my second bonus is the $200 a day on autopilot. And my third bonus is learn how to get better conversion. And my fourth bonus is the 3 top traffic methods. And then I have an extra bonus, a special invite to a free web class. This free web class will actually take you through a step-by-step 3 method, step-by-step on how you can actually start your own YouTube channel and to monetize that YouTube channel from day one. So if you're interested as a beginner in affiliate marketing and want to learn from a free web class, this is my special invite to do that. And you would still receive all the vendor bonuses if you pick up this Commissions Blueprint 2.0 through my link, which will be the first link in the description box below this video. Now this is a Warrior Plus product, and so you would receive a receipt like this, and this blue button here on a receipt will take you through to all of the bonuses I have just described. So that's my review of this Commission Blueprint 2.0 today, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.